I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on arranging the formula and changing the subject. In this video, we'll discuss how to isolate the variable and change the subject when fractions are involved. At times, it becomes quite challenging. Let's begin with what we are given. We are given 2 over a plus 3 over b equals to 4 over c, right? Now we need to change the variable and make b as the subject, right? So make b as the subject. The first step could be we can take 2 over a to the right side. So we are left with 3 over b on the left side. We get 4 over c minus 2 over a. Now, just as you worked with fractions or rational expressions, the right side we can take a common denominator and then continue. So we get 3 over b equals 2. The common denominator is product of c and a, right? Which I could write as ca. Now to get ca in the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator by a. So I get 4a here minus 2 times c. Correct? So we did common denominator and then we got one particular expression. Now it is kind of ratios, right? This stage we can flip and then write this as b over 3 equals to c times a over 4a minus 2c. Now we can easily isolate 3 by multiplying both sides by 3, right? So we can isolate b by multiplying 3 on both the sides. So we get b equals to 3 times ca, right? So ca over 4a minus 2c. Is that clear to you? So that is how we could change the subject and write down the final result. Let me rewrite this here in different ways. So we have b equals to 3ac over 4a minus 2c. Correct? So that is an equivalent expression in which b is now the subject written in terms of the other variables. So I hope these steps are absolutely clear. So whenever you're working with fractions, the idea here is to have common denominator, right? So common denominator, then you need to simplify, and then you can have a reciprocal. Correct? So that is how we could actually get the subject whenever the fractions are involved. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to watch other related videos on this topic that will give you a lot of confidence. And thanks for your time.